In this video, I want to show you guys how we're going to make text. The thing that I don't like about Vectr is that when we make text, it basically puts a raster text on a shape. What raster means versus vector is that raster is pixelated. It's little squares. So whatever size it is, if you go to export it, when you go to make it bigger and smaller, it's not scalable. As far as if you get it too big, it will look pixelated, where you'll be able to see those little squares. Vector is a scalable graphic where you make it bigger and smaller. It has I guess an algorithm that makes it scalable up and down by an equation that never allows those little, I guess, jagged edges to happen. So that's why we want to have vector versus raster. So we're not going to use the text tool unless you can't do the other way. So here's the other way that I'm going to show you. First of all, go to the internet, and we want to be in images as far as in Google. And one of the things that I noticed the best searches to do is an alphabet SVG for free. Alphabet just saying that you want all the letters. So if you want specific things, you could probably ask for that too and get different stuff here. SVG means that this is a scalable vector graphic versus like a PNG or a JPEG, where they are images that are pixelated because they're raster. SVG, and then free, just saying because some people are trying to sell these things. And you may still find people that are trying to sell them. So the one that I did right away is I went into this one over here, this baby shark. Maybe it caught my attention because I have toddlers at my house and they're always distracting me. But I'll just go and do a different one just to show you what's going on. So coming in here, we select it. We can't just right click or copy these kind of things because we got to go to the actual website to download it. So you can either double click here, I think over here, and it will take you to the website. Make sure you guys read stuff here. Because sometimes it's not going to give it to you for free and they want you to sign into stuff. I don't do any subscriptions. I don't sign on anything. I don't even put my email on anything. I just look for the totally free stuff. So blue crayons style set, or there's some really cool Halloween stuff right here. A little out of season, but anyway, whatever you're looking for. Come in here and click on it. And then once again, look around for an actual download button. And you're going to see in this search right now, I'm failing because it's not going any further. It refused to connect. So I'm just going to go back. I'm going to try just one other one just to make sure that this website itself is not working with me. Vectr-Importing doesn't seem to work with our district website stuff. They block a lot of things. So back out, and I'm just going to actually click out of here and go back to my search again, and I'm going to search for a different one. So, Baby Shark, that's the one I just grabbed right there before, and I know that one worked. I did have to be patient. Well, let's go with the softball scene right here, this baseball scene one. Double click it. Nope, over here you gotta click, I guess. Once you get into here, on this one I'm just sliding down and trying to see what's going on. It says, we like to send... I always say no thanks to the notifications so that it doesn't want to bother you. We want to look for the SVG file. That's what we want to have here. And then we want to do free download. That's what we want to go for. Free download usually gives you a zip file. Some of them happen instantly. Some of them make you wait like 40 seconds trying to get a donation or whatever else. I've noticed that most of those ones that make you wait do give you the thing that they say they're going to give you. Now, the thing that I found that's easiest is go to your download file in your files. So if you go to your search thing or your search key, you should be able to go to your files and find this zip file. Mine is in my downloads, so I'm just going to go to my download folder here. And it should be the top one. It's in a zip. You can see it's Z. So on mine, it's a right click, and I'm not sure if it's going to work on your computers the same way or the Chromebooks, but I think it should. And then we want to go to 7-zip, and this is extract files. And that's going to tell you, usually it goes to the same spot where you just were. I'm going to hit OK. And right below, it has that baseball letters ABC. In that folder, anything that says SVG is going to give me a scalable vector graphic. So if I go into my vector program, to get these in to work with, I'm just going to zoom out so you can see my whole thing right here. And then I'm going to come in and upload an image. Remember we did this in the downloads. Remember we had to actually get rid of it first because you can't see the zip files right now. That's because they don't show up. we're going to go here SVG and or any SVG that I downloaded so far, and hit open. It brings it in, and there's the A. Notice it has the paths and everything around it, so if you come into that piece, you should be able to double click into it and alter it any way you want to, make it bigger and smaller and all those things. But reminder that what we're doing right now is we are, I'm just going to hit save changes quickly. We are trying to make our words and letters with vector graphics, not the font tool in Vectr, which is kind of confusing. Anyway, reminder, if you need to stop into the meet, do it. I appreciate seeing faces and having conversation. It's the thing that I miss the most. If you've ever seen me in the hallway, I'm the loud guy. He used to have a big beard, for the ones that don't know who I am yet. Anyway, have a good day, everybody.